now we have completed the third lesson, right? That is learning to recycle. Have you understood this lesson, children? Yes, whatever you have not understood, please ask me. I will be there to answer you. Okay, so now let us come to the textbook activity of this lesson. Okay, take a textbook and pencil, okay, and eraser. Keep ready with you all these things. Open the textbook page number 22. What did you learn? First one, tick right the correct option to complete the following sentences. First one, Pepper began to clean the hall because, see children, here statement is given. For the three options are given. Which is the right? You have to tick for it. Okay. So that first one, first option, his mother told him to clean. He was going on a holiday. He wanted to play with his friends. No, right? Then first option is right. His mother told him so that he began to clean the hall. Right? So tick for the first option. Yes, children? Yes. Move on to the second one. B. Papa told him not to throw away the wrappers because they could be sent for recycling. He wanted to throw them away. He wanted to sell them. No, he wanted to sell them is wrong. He wanted to throw them away. No, he could be sent for recycling. Sent for the recycling is a correct option. Tick for the first option. Okay, children, have you completed? Come to the second main. Put a tick for the statements that are true and cross for those that are false. Okay. First one, Papa told Pepper to throw the wrappers in the hall. Papa told to throw in the hall? No, it is false. Put a cross mark for the first one. Okay. Move to the second one. Pepper had messed up the hall. Did the Pepper mess up the hall? Yes. He messed up the hall. So put the tick mark right. Okay. Come to the third C. Pepper already knew the meaning of recycling. Was he knowing what is the meaning of recycling? No. He was you should not make a dirty. But he was not knowing about recycling. Right? So it is false. Put a cross mark for the third one. Okay. Yes. Come to the fourth one. There are different bins for different waste materials. Isn't it, children? There are different bins for different materials, right? Yes, it is true. Put the right mark. Okay. Then come to the last one. Banana peels, tea leaves and eggshells can be recycled into food for the plants. Isn't it, children? Yes. Put for the tick one for the last one. Okay. Let's answer the following. What is recycling? Yes, we are using something instead of throwing it away is called recycling. Okay, children? Next, come to the second question. Which two ways help the Pepper to learn how to recycle? Which two ways? Yes, throwing the wrappers, using the wrappers again. Okay, and with the blank papers, making the notepads. With the newspapers, making the shopping bags. Made him to learn how to recycling. Isn't it, children? Yes. These question answers we will be giving you in the notes. Okay? Yes. Now come to the fourth one. Fill in the blanks with the correct words from the box given below. In the box they have given the words, children. That is gift, cans, notepads, shopping. Then the last one is hall. Okay. Then come to the first one. Pepper began to clean the hall. H-A-L-L. Hall. For the first one, you fill the word hall. H-A-L-L. Okay, children. Have you filled? Come to the second one. Pepper can use the wrappers to pack the Chim's birthday gift. Okay, so you fill the word gift, G-I-F-T, gift, G-I-F-T, gift. Now turn the page number 24, third one. The dump truck takes the used dash to the factory for recycling. Here the words are given. Among those you can fill cans, C-A-N-S, cans. Have you filled, children? Come to the fourth one. Pepper learned how to use a blank papers to make notepads. Okay, so N-O-T-E, note, P-A-D-S, pads, notepads. Okay, children. Come to the fifth one. Mother came home with many dash bags, shopping bags. Okay, so plastic shopping bags also you can say, but here only they given shopping, so you can fill shopping, spelling S-H-O-P-P-I-N-G, shopping bags. Okay, yes. Have you completed this main? Yes, fill with the correct spelling. Okay, come to the next activity. What do you think? When you go for shopping with your mother or father, the shopkeeper do not give any plastic bags. How do you think it helps the environment? Yes, children, absolutely it helps to keep the environment clean. Okay, so plastic is polluting. When we take the plastic bags and throw into the garbage, throw as a garbage, isn't it? So that becomes the pollution in the environment. Okay, pollution means it makes the dirty the environment. Okay, so that we should not use the plastic bags. We should take our carry bags or wire bags, okay, from the home, so that we can keep our environment clean. Okay, in that way it is helpful, isn't it, children? Yes. Next, what's the good word? Find the opposites of the following. You have to write opposite words, children. We have given in the videos, right? Yes. Now let me give once again. Big. What is opposite word for big? Small. Spelling S-M-A-L-L, small. S-M-A-L-L, small. Second one, end. E-N-D, end. Opposite word, begin or start. Okay. B-E-G-I-N, begin, or S-T-A-R-T, start. Third one, forward. F-O-R, for, W-A-R-D, word. Forward. Opposite word, backward. B-A-C-K-W-A-R-D, backward. Forward, backward. Then the fourth one, old. O-L-D, old. Opposite word, new. N-E-W, new. Okay, children, have you come to know the opposite words for the given words? Yes. Now there is a beautiful puzzle for you. Find the following words in the word grid below. We say this word grid. Means so many letters are there. So in that we have to find a meaningful words. Okay, children? Yes. Peel. Where it is? Yes. You can circle. You can draw a line. P-E-E-L. Peel. Here. Okay. Next. Clear. Here is a clear. C-L-E-A-R. Clear. Okay. Draw a line here. Then the next one. Banana. Last line. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. Circle the rows. Next, come to the hall. H-A-L-L. Hall. Draw a line for it. Gift. G-I-F-T. Gift. In the last row, you have to circle the box. Next, B-A-G. Bag. Here it is. Draw a box for it. Have you got all the words in this grid? Very good. This is the word grid. So you have to search the spellings and make up words. Okay, children? Yes, come to the next page, page number 25. What's the grammar behind it? It will be giving you in the grammar video. Okay, children? Now, let's move on to the next main. What would you add? You can add for this lesson one activity, children, that you can make it is very easy. You can make yourself. Okay, take some old paper or cut it to form a square shape you have to cut. Follow the directions they have given. Fold it into half and fold the corners. Bend down the corners. Okay, and some amount of paper you fold in the upside. Then the little puppy will be ready. Take a black pencil or the black marker pen or sketch pen. You make a eyes and mouth. It looks like a puppy. Okay. It is very easy activity, children. So you can do it yourself. And you can give the name for this puppy. And you can write about what does he likes to eat. Puppy, what does it likes to eat? What is the favorite game of puppy? Catch. Okay. And what does he do all the day? What will do? Yes, he will play with us. He will guard our house. He will be a watchman like for our house, right? So he will always play with us. He gives the entertainment, right? So with this we have completed this textbook activity, children. So you complete all these activities in your textbook and send me a copy without fail. Okay, write with the correct spellings. Okay, and practice. Thank you, children. Bye bye. Keep learning.